Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to our channel. So inside this particular channel, we are going to show you guys an update on our best indicator. I told you guys this is one of the best indicator you can help yourself with. All what you need to do is to understand how this perfect indicator works, and you can see these are the sample of some live trade on the charts, and you can see it has been a profit. So inside this video I want to show you guys how this indicator has helped me a lot to make a lot of profit from this. So as we can see, we have different indicator on the chart. The first one is this particular trend signal that you see. This is the yellow signal and this is the blue 9 signal, and this signal are the trend of the market. It showed the trend of the market. The yellow line was here, and the blue was here before it break this level, and it give us a complete adjustment to the first blue line that is coming. You can see that it has break the level from here. So but before the yellow line was formed here before, which give us a confirmation for this downtrend. So this is how to trade this indicator. It's very simple. Anytime you have your downtrend signal, then what you are going to be looking for, the arrow that you are going to be targeting, is going to be your downtrend arrow. You can see this is the first downtrend arrow on this confirmation, and we have another second confirmation, which is this one for the downtrend arrow. So these are the two perfect accurate entry for you to take. And if you have a blue signal arrow for uptrend, so the arrow that you are going to be taking up is going to be your green arrow for uptrend. So this is the first confirmation arrow, and this is the second confirmation arrow for what? For uptrend. So you can see that that is very perfect. I told you guys that there is a yellow 9 here before, which showed to us that that is a downtrend, and we have our confirmation here which help us to take the downtrend, and there is a uptrend here before which show the uptrend movement at this particular level that break this particular zone here, which make this particular 9 to relate with what is coming, what the trend that is coming before. And currently now we are having a downtrend 9 yellow 9 here, and what we are going to be waiting for is to take every sell arrow. So I told you guys that this particular arrow does not reprint. Once it appears, it stay permanent on the chart. So let me show you guys on this particular signal on the crash 300, so that you guys can see how this particular indicator is working. So you can see this is a accurate entry for what? For sell entry. You can see I told you guys that anytime you have your yellow on the chart, okay, let's go back so that you guys can see. So I told you guys that anytime you have your arrow on the chart, which is the yellow 9, it shows that you are going on the downtrend. And what the arrow signal that you are going to be taking is going to be a arrow signal throughout. It's going to be a arrow signal. Just imagine you have your entry around this place, the market pull back a little bit, then keep on moving on a downtrend, on a massive downtrend. And when you get here, you have a confirmation for uptrend again, and also you have a massive up strike here, and your entry will be around here because you have a uptrend move. Then you are going to be catching up all these profits in it. And also we have another arrow signal that appear, arrow 9 trend that appear here, which show the yellow 9. So what you are going to be targeting is going to be your red signal, and that is exactly what you are going to be doing here. You can see that. So it's more on a massive downtrend, and also we have another uptrend here. This is the first confirmation for uptrend, which does not go along with it. There's a pullback a little bit, and also it gives us another confirmation for uptrend. And you can see how massive this one go. You can see how massive this particular one move. It's move on a massive trend, guys. It's move on a massive trend. So on getting here, we have another one here which showed the downtrend of the market, and we have our arrow to take. This is the level we take our arrow, and also we have another trend here. You can see that it gives us a confirmation. You can see that I enter at this particular area, but it happens to be a midnight, so I slept off, and it happens that the trade I supposed to have closed my trade when I see that I have the second arrow in the chart, but I really leave it so that you guys can see. So you can see this is the first confirmation for uptrend, the second confirmation for uptrend, but the move is on what is on uptrend. So this is the third confirmation for uptrend. But when I see that the trade reverses back to this same level, then I enter for it so that I can use it as a replacement for this. So now this is where I'm going to be taking the market for uptrend for today. Unless I see the changes in the market or in the trend, then that is when I'm going to close. And you can see this particular profit now is around $5 each candle pair. You can see that is we are trading on crash 305 minute time frames, and it happens to be on what on 0.5. So each of the currently now for the profits is going to be around above $5 for each trade. So this is how this perfect indicator works. So this indicator works smartly on all boom and crash index, and it also works on step index. All what you need to do is to reach out to me on my Telegram, and you're going to get access to this indicator. It's very simple, but guys, this indicator is not for free. It's cost also. Thanks guys. See you guys in our next video.